We are now in the LPG workshop to show you how you can remove and replace LPG injector made by Italian brand BRC. Here you see a set of 4 injectors, and we will show you how to remove this injector. So first you need to remove small round piece which is called circlip. No special tools required, just flat screwdriver, and then you can pull injector from the socket. Obviously, before all of that, you need to unplug rubber line which is going to the engine manifold, and then of course after removing circlip you can pull injector. Here you have socket to the electric wire. Of course, this you need to unplug also, but it is advised to remove electric wire last one, because here you have pressure of LPG, and injector can jump out from this pressure. So if you leave electric wire as the last one, it can save you this injector to not fall into engine bay. As you see, guy is talking that no special tools required, just small flat screwdriver. And watch out to not lose this circlip, because if you lose it, you might have a second one uh, in the set of brand new injector. But if you don't have second circlip, you can even use copper wire to secure this in place, but try to not lose circlip. Even as last option, you can use this rubber line to connect it firmly, and it will hold injector in place even if you lose circlip. So as you can see, it is not very difficult, and you can replace injector by yourself in your garage, or even on the road if you will experience injector failure, and of course in the case if you have extra injector with you. Here you can see disassembled injector, but it's not designed to be disassembled. You have to cut it to open, so no reassemble possible. I was also asking if it's true that older BRC injectors was better than current version, especially that there was a difference in the color of the metal piece. But this guy says that in his opinion there is no quality difference. It's pretty much the same. Doesn't matter that older one was silver and new one is gold color.